Scandal. An event that causes public outrage. The tax credit scandal led to the arrest of a high-profile CEO and his shady accountant.
Let's go! Up against the law! Move! You heard him! Get over there now! Get your hands up!
Even with the sports scandal, the team was able to move forward and win the Super Bowl. Talk of the corruption scandal filled the office and threatened to flatten the entire organization. Filled with corruption, the shocking behavior of the police department brought on a public scandal. As if an open scandal wasn't enough, the crooked businessman managed to bankrupt several local shops. Scandal. An event that causes public outrage. Scandal. An event that causes public outrage. Scandal. An event that causes public outrage.